Good morning, students. Today we will study chapter 25, volume and surface area. So, you know that what is volume? Volume is the amount of space that a shape take up in three dimensions. Means the amount of space inside a hollow three-dimensional shape, which is called its capacity, which is the volume. And what is surface area? The surface area of a cuboid is the sum of three area of the plane region of its faces. Means like a surface area means like which type of shape it is, a suppose cuboid. So surface area will be the sum of the area of the plane region of its faces. Means how many faces in the cuboid? There are six faces. So the sum of the area of the all the six faces, when you will add, so you will get the surface area. Okay, so you can understand from here. Suppose this is your cuboid. Okay, so here you know that in the cube or cuboid, how many faces are there? Total six faces are there. Okay, so this cuboid is separated in this form. You can see, so this part is, you can see how many faces: 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can see this is the back, this is the bottom, this is the front, left and top. So there are total six faces, and whenever you will find the area of all these six faces, okay, this six faces area when you will find, and you will add this area. Okay, so like area, its area will be L into B. Okay, likewise. Okay, so whenever you will add the area of these all six faces and you will add these areas, so you will get the total surface area. What you will get? You will get the total surface area. You can see here. So one by one its area is found. Okay, like then after this, all these areas were added here. You can see here. So this 62 is the surface area of this cuboid. Okay, so likewise for the cube also you can do the same thing, because in the cube it will be one more thing. As you know that cuboid is, this cuboid is made of what? It is made of the rectangles. There are rectangles are there, total six rectangles is used. And for the cube, which type of shape is used? They use the square. They use the square, and the cuboid it is used the rectangle. Okay, so whenever we will find the area of the cube, so there we will use the like a side into side. So we will see that also. So you can learn this formula. What is the formula? This is the total surface area of cuboid is that 2 into L plus B plus L into H plus B into H. L stands for length, B stands for breadth, and H stands for height. Okay, so like you can see here that the area of the top and bottom, the length and breadth, area of front and back, that is length and height, and area of left and right side, which is length, breadth into height. So it is all these two times. You can see there is a top and bottom, here is front and back, and left and right. So there are two times. So that's why it is, this all will multiplied by 2. Okay, this all will be multiplied by 2, which you can see in here formula also, it is multiplied by 2, because two times are there. You can see here this 2 are there, here is 2 also there, in the front also 2 are there. Okay, so this, so again means like you have to add for the 8 times. So like for the 6 time you have to add 2 to 4, 6 times you have to add. So it's better it is multiplied by 2. So your formula is 2 into L plus B, 2 into L 2 into L into B plus L into H plus B into H, and it will be in the square unit. So unit will be in the square, because we are finding the area we know that we are writing in the square. Okay, now next we have, suppose if your this cuboid is this part is open, top and bottom part is, suppose it is open. If we exclude the bottom and top part of a cuboid, means suppose if it is a shape and it is not a closed, it is open, top and bottom. So what we will do? So these two portion we can exclude, means like this top and bottom, this portion we can exclude. Here this top and bottom, this portion we can exclude. So what will be left? So it will be left only, there will be L into H plus this B into H, it will be B into H, and it will be 2 times. Okay, so it will be left here. So here you can see, you will understand from here. Here you can see it is 2 into L plus, here you can see 2 into L plus H. Why L plus H? Here you can see, because this part is excluded, this part is totally excluded. Okay, this part is excluded, so now left it is L into H and B into H. So which is here L into H and B into H. You can see L into H and B into H, which I also write here. You can see here L into H into B into H. Okay, L into H into B into H. So here what the arrangement is done, here you can see H and H, this is the common, so it is taken out. Okay, so now it is left L in L plus B only, because this L and B is left there. Now you can see, can we write like this again, 2 into L plus B, and this is again H. Okay, so now you will see this 2 into L plus B. What is this 2 into L plus B? This is nothing but it is the perimeter of the rectangle. So it means this is the perimeter and this is the height. So it is the multiplication of both perimeter and height. Okay, so here you can see, so this 2 into L plus B is nothing but it is the perimeter of base and into height. So what is the lateral surface area? Lateral surface area, so you can say that what is the lateral surface area? Lateral surface area, which type of a face, which type of a figure whose top and bottom part is open. This top and bottom part is open. This particular top and bottom will be the open. It will be not there. So this type of a shape is called the, if you have to find the area, which is called the lateral surface area, or also it is called sometime four-sided wall. Okay, also if you have to find the area of the four-sided, so you can use this one, lateral surface area. Okay, if you have to use the area of the four walls of the rectangle, so you can use this one also. Okay, four walls of the area. Now here this is the perimeter of the base into height. Okay, so you can remember like this also, or 2 into L plus B multiplied by H square unit. This is the area of the, here also, here you can see area of the four wall, area of the four wall, which is the same 2 into L plus B into H, 2 into L plus B, this which is the perimeter of the base into height. Okay, so this is the, if it is a room and four wall of the rooms whose area you have to find out, so you can use this one, lateral surface areas formula. Okay, now next we have the surface area of the cube. Okay, so surface area of the cube is that same like that earlier. How many faces are there? Total 6. So there is all the, it's a like it is made of the cube. This this cube is made of the only squares. This cube is made of squares, and we know that its a dimension is same, like S all will be the same. So there will be only L into L, L into L, L into N. Okay, because its a dimension is same. So this is how many time? 6 time. So it is your, so that is, it is 6L square. Okay, so this is the 6L square unit. Here you can see this is L into L is nothing but L square. Okay, here is also L into L is nothing but L square. Here is also L square. So you can see how many times are L is there? 3 times. So this is the 3L square. Okay, and now outside of the bracket there is a 2, so also it will be multiplied by 2. So 3 into 2, it will be 6, and this is the L square. So what is the formula for this surface area of the cube? 6L square. Similarly, if for the lateral, if is the top part and bottom part is open, so there will be, that will be excluded, so it will be 4L square. L into L plus L into L. Okay, so this will be L square plus L square, 2L square plus into 2 again, so which will be 4L square. So this is the lateral surface area of the cube, and surface area of the cube will be L is 6L square. Okay, so this is the formula for cube and cuboid. Okay, and the about the surface area. Okay, this whole surface area is also called, this is the total surface area is also called the whole surface area. Got it? So now these are the some solved questions. Okay, you can see in your book also these solved questions. Now we will solve the exercise. So that is exercise 25A. Here question number 1, find the surface area of each of the cuboids whose dimensions are given below. Here dimensions are given below and you have to find the surface area. Okay, so like question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. So here I will solve the question number 5, whose L is given, B is given, and H is given. So this question number 1, number 5. Okay, So L is given 5 and 1 by 2 centimeter, and B is given 4 centimeter, okay, and H is given 10 and half centimeter, okay. So first of all, this is given in the mixed fraction, so you have to change to the improper. So 5 to the 10 plus 1 11 by, this is the 11 by 2 centimeter, it is 4, no need to change. So 10 into 2 again, so 20 plus 1 21 by 2 centimeter, okay. Now it is changed. Now we will use the formula. So what is the formula? So formula we have, what is the formula? Surface area of cuboid, okay. Surface area of cuboid. So what is the surface area of cuboid? Which is 2 into L into B plus L into H plus B into H. You have to write the formula very separately. This, okay, this here it will be this, these two are in the multiplication, these three are in the multiplication. Now we will put the value of all. So here L we have, here you can see, that is here L we have 11 by 2, B is 4 and H is 21 by 2. So we will put these all values over here. So L is there, L is 11 by 2, so write 11 by 2 into, what is the value of B? 4. So this 4 we can write 4 by 1, okay, plus. Now next value is L. What is the value of L? Which is 11 by 2. What is the value of H? 21 by 2, okay. Now plus, okay, what is the value of B? So B is 4, so we can write 4 by 1 multiplied. What is the value of H? 21 by 2, okay, and this is in the centimeter square, okay. Or you can write unit with this all. Now we can solve it. So now we can divide. So this 2 times we can divide, okay. Here we cannot divide, here we can divide 2 times, okay. Now it will be, here you can see 2 will be the outside of the bracket. Here will be 11 to the 22 plus, here 11 into 21, it will be 231, and 2 to the 4 plus, here is 2 into 21, which is 42, okay. This is centimeter square. Now we will do the next. So here this 2 will be, so first of all, because we are following the Bodmas rule, so whatever the inside the bracket, that we have to solve first. So now we will take the LCM. So 4 will be here, so 22 into 4, it will be 88 plus 231 plus this will be multiplied by 4, 42 multiplied by 4, 168, and this is centimeter square, okay. Now next you can see this, 88 plus 231 plus 168, it will be 487 by 4, and which is centimeter square, okay. Now this we can multiply it, we can remove the bracket. So 487 by 4, okay. So this 2 will cancel 2 times, okay. So now it is 487 by 2 centimeter square. Now we can solve this one. So we can divide this. So it will be, we can divide 243.5 centimeter square. So this is your answer, okay. So this is the simple calculations are there. Only you have to, first of all, you have to write the, is that all this given data, then after write the formula and put according to this given data, and then after solve, okay. So this is your answer, 243.5 centimeter square. Unit will be in the square. Next, question number 2, find the surface area of the following cubes. These are the cubes, okay. So here question number 2, L is the side is given, which is 12 centimeter. So very easy, the same thing you have to do. So first of all, you have to write the, it's for this question number 2, okay. It's L is given 12 centimeter. So first of all, you have to write the formula. So you have to write the formula, which is the surface area of cube, okay. So what is the surface area of cube? Which is 6L square, okay. So now 6L square. So what is the value of L? L is given 12, so 12 square, okay, and it will be in the centimeter square. So here we can solve. So this square means what? This square means 12 into 12. Square means what is the value of square? Same number will repeat 2 times. So 12 into 12, so 12 into, this is a 12, nothing but 12 into 12 centimeter square. So you can multiply it. So it will be 144 multiplied by 6. So it will be 800. It will be 800 and 864 centimeter square. So that's your answer. Okay. Simply you have to write the formula and just put the value and solve. Now next question. Next question number 3. The total surface area of a cube is given 96 centimeter square. What is the length of its side? So here what you have to do, again you have to write the formula and do it. So here you can see question number 3. It is the total surface area. Total surface area of cube. Okay, which is equals to 6L square. We know that. So now here it is given, this part is given, total surface area is given. How much it is given? It was given, it is given that 96 centimeter square, and we know that, and this side is same, 6L square we will write. Okay, now we have to find the value of L. So this 96, 6 will come to the another side, which right to left we will shift the side. So this side will come to be divided. Now here it is a L square. Now first of all we will divide this one. So 6 will divide 1 time 16 time. Okay, so this is the 16 centimeter square, and this is here L square. Okay, now this you can solve like this. So can we write this one 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter, and this side can we write L into L? So it means the value of L is the 4 centimeter. So that's your answer. Or you can do here, I have done like this. This 16 we have separated, like we have divided into two equal parts, 4 and 4. Or simply L square equals to, if it is a 16, so L will equals to square root of 16, so which is the 4. So likewise also you can do. Okay, so that's your answer, 4 centimeter. Okay, here question number 4. Find the surface area of a wooden box which is in the shape of cube if the edges is 25 centimeter. Okay, so here it is, the L is given in this question number 4. This L is, you have to, it is given 25 centimeter. Okay, so now you have to find the total surface area. So what is the formula? 6L square. Okay, so you can put the value on the here, 25 into 25 and into 6, so that will be your answer. So this in question number 4 already, if the edges means the side is given, L is given, and you have to find the surface area, and which shape it is a cube. So total surface area of the cube is 6L square. So you can put the value of L there. So 6 into 25 into 25, you can multiply and get the answer. Okay, so now we will solve question number 5. The cost of painting all around the outer surface of box of lid 100 centimeter long and 80 centimeter wide and 60 centimeter high at the rate, which is rate is rupees 2 per 40 centimeter square. The rate is given. So first of all you can see this is the which type of a shape. This box is of which type of shape. You can see L, B and H is given. It means it is a cuboid. Okay, so we will find the surface area of that box. So which type of shape? It is a cuboid. So let's solve this one. So we can understand which type of shape. It is a cuboid. So surface, you can write the surface area of box. Okay, so box is the which type of shape it has? It is a cuboid. So what will be the formula? So formula, so you can write the formula first of all, 2 into L into B plus L into H plus B into H. Okay, now one by one we will put the values, because first of all also you can write this given data. So given L is given, there is 100 centimeter. Okay, and its a breadth is given, which is the 80 centimeter, and height is given, it's 60 centimeter. Okay, these all three are given. So these values we will put here. So here we can put 2 into this L is given. What is the value? L is 100 into 80 plus, here is L into H, which is 100 into 60 plus 80 into 60. Okay, and also you can differentiate like this, so it will be easy to calculate. Okay, so that you can understand that these two you have to multiply. So to be first of all we multiply, it will be 8,000, here it will be 6,000, here it will be 4,800, it will be 4,800. Now we can add first of all, so it will be 18800. Okay, so now we can multiply these two, so it will be 37600, and it is in the centimeter square. Here also you can write centimeter square all over here, centimeter square, centimeter square. Okay, so your answer is 37,600. Sorry, this is not the answer, this is the surface area of the box. Now we have to find the, it's the cost of painting. So that was, it was given that cost of painting. Okay, so cost of painting 40 centimeter square. If you have to paint the cost 40 centimeter per square, for this you have to pay the rupees 2, means 40 centimeter it will be painted, so for that it will be charged 2 rupees. Okay, so now you have to, first of all, can we find the cost of one? So cost of painting, that is the 1 centimeter square. How much? Not 1 centimeter square, we are doing the unitary method here, so here will be rupees, so this 2 by 40. Okay, you know this unitary method. Now we have to find the, so now we can find the cost of 37,600 centimeter square. So this side it will become, so it will be multiplied by this number, so 240 multiplied by 37,600, here is nothing but 1, so we can divide this, 4 cancel, so by this 0 cancel, by 4 we can divide, so it will be 940. Okay, so now you can multiply 940 multiplied by 2, so it will be rupees 180. Yeah, so your answer is 1,880 rupees will be the cost of painting. Once again you can see it. So these are the, first of all, this given data we have, and by this we can understand that that box is of which type of shape, it is in the cuboid. So the surface area of box will be the formula of the cuboid. So then put this values here and solve it. So we have here, we have the surface area of the box, then after we have to find the cost of painting. It was given that if we cost 40 centimeter square, so that for this you have to pay the 2 rupees. So first of all we find the one, we just applied the unitary method. So cost of 1 is centimeter square, which will be 2 by 40. So then we can find the cost of painting of 37,600. So we have multiplied with this and we got the answer. Number 6, the dimension of an oil can are 26 centimeter, 26 centimeter and 45 centimeter. Find the area of tin sheet required for making 20 such cans if 1 centimeter square of a tin costs rupees 10. Okay, so find the cost of used for the 20 cans. So this is the dimension of the one coil is given, this is the dimension of one this can, and such how many you have to create, means you have to make the 40 such cans, and the cost is there. If you just do for 1 centimeter 1 square centimeter, for this you have to pay 10 rupees. Okay, so you have to find the cost for this 20s. Okay, so this question number 6. So first of all you have to write the, first of all this L is given 26 centimeter. Okay, again B is given 26 centimeter and H is given 45 centimeter. Okay, these dimensions are given. Now we will find the surface area. So you write here just surface area of tin. Surface area of tin we have to find first. So what is the formula? 2 into L into B plus L into H plus B into H. Okay, now we will put these values. LBH is given here. Okay, so now 2 into L into B, which is 26 into 26 plus L into H, which is 26 multiplied by 20 45 45. Okay, now here again the same 26 into 45. Okay, now you can just differentiate like this, so you can understand these two you have to multiply. So now 2 you can multiply, so here it will be the 676 plus it is 1170, it will be 1170 again. So now these all three value first of all you have to add. So after adding you will get it 3116, and this is the in the centimeter square, this will be also centimeter square. Now you can multiply these two, so after multiplying you will get it 6032 centimeter square. So this is the area of tin. Now how many such can we have to make? So there are, we have to find the total area of the, because we have to make the 20 such cans. So first of all we have to find the area of 20 cans. Okay, so what will be the area of 20 cans? So we can multiply this, so 20 into 6032 centimeter square. So this will be the area of, this is the area of 20 cans. Okay, so now there is the cost is given. So first now we have to find the cost also. So for this it is the given like a 1 square meter, it's the cost is given. What is the cost is given? Rupees 10. It's the cost is given rupees 10. So this 1 square meter, and you can just see it here, this is the very important. In the question it is given, it is meter, in the meter, and also but here we got the area in the centimeter. Okay, in the question this square meter cost is given. Got it? This meter, this is given in the meter, but this area we got in the centimeter. So here we have to change it. Okay, so here in the 1 meter, so it is a square. So square means in a 1 meter how many centimeter? 100. So first you write the 100 centimeter, but it is a square means 2 times, so it will be 2 times. So now if which is the, for this you have to pay the rupees 10. Okay, so this is the 1 square centimeter, so you can write like this. Okay, so this is the 10,000, so it's a 10,000 square centimeter, this is the centimeter square, so if you have to pay the rupees 10. Okay, so for this 1 centimeter square how much rupees you have to pay? So the this cost will be 10 by 1 2 3 4 zeros. Okay, so now you have to get you have to find the, so the cost of, this is the 1 2, what is the area is there? Total area of 20 cans we got the 60 centimeter square. So its a cost will be, so just this will be multiplied here by 120640. Okay, and here, so this 0 cancel, so can we write like this? So which is the rupees, and this is also cancel. So it is, so after 2 it will be the decimal, so 12064. So means rupees 120.64 is the cost of such 20 cans. So once again you can see it. So first of all these dimensions are given, so we find the area of this square, this cuboid type of a tin. So we got the area of, so this is the of the, this is the area of the one tin, this is the area of one tin. So or you can say this is the area of one can. So now how many such cans we have to make? 20. So we will multiply this area with the 20. So now we get the area of 20. Now it is the cost is given 1 square, this is the cost given, 1 square meter cost is given 10 rupees. Okay, and it is in the meter, so we'll change in the centimeter, so it will be 100 into 100 10,000. So this is, now we follow the unitary method and we have solved it. Okay, now next question number 7, find the area of 4 wall. Find the area of 4 wall with the following measurements. So 4 wall means lateral surface area we have to find. Okay, so this question number 1 I will do for you. This question number 1 7 number 1. Okay, so here you can see L is given, L which is given 8 centimeter. Okay, and B is given which is 6 centimeter, okay, and h is given 4 centimeter, okay. So now you have to find the area of 4 wall. So what is the formula? First of all, you write the area of 4 wall, area of 4 wall. So area of 4 wall is 2 into L plus B into H, okay. So now one by one we will put the values. These are the L is 8, B is 6, and H is 4 centimeter. So we can put it here. So 8, it will be 6, and H value is 4, and this will be in the meter square. So now first of all, inside the bracket we will solve. So 8 plus 6, it will be 14. Now there is now left 4 meter square, okay. Now we will multiply these all. So 14 to the 28 into 4, 112 meter square. So your answer is 112 meter square. In this way you can do, okay. So simply this given value you have to write this given data, then you have to write the formula area of 4 walls and then solve, okay. Now next question number 8. A rectangular room 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4 meter high. Find the total surface area of the 4 wall. So you can find the total surface area of this 4 wall of this question number 1. So you can just do it. What is the total surface area of this 4 wall? You know that 2 into L plus B into H. So now you can put, there is the given L is given, B is given, H is given. So 2 into L is your L will be 6 plus 5 and into 4, and which is meter square. So 6 plus 5 11, 11 into 2 11 into 2 22 into 4, so it will be 88. So it will be 88 meter square. So its answer will be, first answer will be the area of this rectangular room will be the 88 meter square, okay. Now question number 2. If the window and door of the above room are made of 20% of the wall area, okay, and how much paint will be needed to give the 4 walls excluding the window and door 2 coats of painting if a liter of paint is used to cover 18 meter in one 18 meter square in one coat. It means here it is saying that the area of this wall we got 88 centimeter, okay, but there is in that wall there is the window, there is a window and door. As I told that in the, as also you should know, like when we are finding the 4 walls, area of the 4 walls we are finding, suppose it is not mentioned like window and door, then you can directly you can find the area of wall. But now here it is mentioned like this, there is a wall and doors are there, and which is made of the 20% of the areas, okay. So let's solve this question, then you will understand. Question number 2. So in the question number 1, what is the answer we got? The area we got that area we got the 88 meter square. So this it will be used, okay, it will be used here in question number 2. So let's see this question number 2. So first of all, the area of window and door we have to find. Area window door means, suppose your 4 wall is this is the your wall, okay. In this there is the door, also there is the some window, okay. So excluding this door and window there, so now it will be excluded. So this portions will be excluded, this portion will be not added. So remaining portion that will be used for the coating, okay. So now just we will do for like area of, so we will find the area of window and door, okay. The area of window and door, area of window and door. So it is given that in the question it is given that if the window and door in the above room are made up of 20% of wall area, means whatever the this wall is there, suppose this, here you can understand, this wall is of, suppose, okay, this wall is a, we got the 88, it's a area we got that 88. Now this window and door is made of 20% of this, 20% of this means this door and window are the 20% of this area of the this wall. So now area of window and door, we will get the 20% of this one. So 20% of area of the wall, four wall, so which is the 88 meter square. 88 meter square. Now we can solve this. So 20% means 20 by 100, of means multiply 88. So we can write 88 by 1, and here is the meter square. So now we can solve. Here it's divided 5 times. So now it is actually 88 by 5 meter square. So we can solve. So you will get the 17.6 meter square. So this is the area of window and door. Now we have to find the area of walls. So now this is the area of this. Suppose in this room, okay, so there is the area of door and window, which is also included. So this we have to exclude it, we don't need this one. So we will subtract this area to the area of this four wall. So now we can get the area of walls. So now area of walls we can get. So what is the total area earlier? Four wall 88, and now this is the area of door and window. So this will be subtract here. Okay, so now we can subtract these two. So it will be 70.4 meter square. So this is the area of walls. This is the area of walls where there is no any window and door. Once again I just tell you, this is the, suppose this is the wall. Now there is the door and some window, and you have to coat it. So you don't add these two. So you have to find the area of this door and window. So that we have got, and it is given that this is the 20% of total area of this wall. So we got this, the area of this two, window and door. Then after we have subtracted there, so we can get the exact value of the. Now this is the 70.4 meter square is the area of the wall. Now we have to make the coating. So in the question it is given in one coat. In one coat means like it is the one time paint. One coat means what? One time. This is the one time paint, one time painting. Okay, so this is the one coat means it is. Now in one coat, so now in the question it is given. If you have 18 meter square, how much? 18 meter square area. 18 meter square area is covered by 1 liter of paint. Okay, so 18 meter area is covered by 1 liter of paint. It is given. So now we can apply the unitary method. So 1 meter square area is covered by how much liter? 1 by 18 liter. 80 liter of paint. Okay, so now how much area we have to paint? This is the area 70.4. This we have to paint. So we will now write this one. So we write the 70.4 meter square. This area we have to paint. So now we can write 1 by 18, and it will be multiplied by, this is 70.14, sorry, 70.14. This is the 70.4. So we can write here like this is the liter of paint will be the, this is the liter of paint. Now we can solve. So you, whenever you will solve, so you can get the answer 3.91 liter. Okay, so this is the 3.91 liter is the cost of how many times you will paint. This is the this is the total amount of paint will be used in one coating, one time painting. But in the question it is asked that you have to paint for 2 times, means 2 coating. This is the 3.91 liter will be used in the one coating, but we have to find the how many coatings. So you have to use the 2 coatings. So 2 coat of paint required. So you can multiply it by 2. So whatever this 2 into 3.91 liter, so you can multiply these two, so it will be 7.82 liter of paint will be used. Okay, so this is your answer, 7.82 liter. Okay, once again you can see this is a little bit lengthy one, but once again you can see, you can understand. So this 88 we got from the question number 1. Now area of window and door, it is given that 20% of total wall. Okay, so total area of wall was 88. Okay, so 20% of this we get 17.6 meter square. Now this 17.6 point, if we will minus in this total area of the wall, so we can get the how much area of the wall, so that we have subtracted there, then we got the area of the wall. Then after in the question is given, if you do the one coating, one time painting, so 18 meter square area is covered by 1 liter, means 1 liter paint if you have, you can paint 18 meter square area. So in 1 meter, 1 by 18, so 17.4. So for this 70.4 meter square areas, how much liter is required? So there will be required 3.91 liter, but we have to do 2 times, means 2 coatings, so we will multiply it by 2, so we get 7.82 liter of paint. Now question number 9, the area of 4 walls of a room is 660 meter square and its length is twice its breadth. Okay, if the height of the room is 11 meter, then the area of the floor, that you have to find. So let's do it. Question number 9. So first of all, the given data we have to write. L is, so first of all you just let the breadth, its a breadth is b meter. Okay, this is the b meter. We have assumed that its a breadth is, this breadth is b meter. Okay, so now L will be, in the question it is given L is the 2 times of breadth. So 2 times of breadth means 2 into b meter. Okay, so 2 times of b, so this is the b, so 2 times of b. Okay, so in the question it is given twice of the breadth. Now height is, it is given 11 meter. Okay, so now we can find this surface area. So we'll find the area of, we have to find the area of 4 wall. So not surface area, we have to find the area of 4 wall. What is the area of 4 wall? 2 into L plus B into H. Now we can put the value one by one. Is the B's values, L value is 2B. Okay, L value is 2 into B and B's value is B only, and H value is 11. Okay, so let's 2, its a value is 2B. Okay, B's value is B and H value is given 11. And now this area of the 4 wall is given 660 meter square, it is given. So now we can solve. So now next step, 660 meter square. Now here we can solve. Inside the bracket 2 plus 2b plus b, it will be 3b. Okay, and it is multiplied by 11. Okay, so now we can move this numbers to the another side. So 2 will come to this side, so it will divide. 11 will also you can send here. Here is meter square. Okay, so now this is here, 3b will be left here. 3b, actually 3b meter is left this side. So now next you can solve. So this again you can send this 3 also this side. So 660 2 into 11 into 3 equals to b. So now you can solve. 11 6 is 60, 2 times 20, 2 times here 10. Yeah, so what is the value of b? So we got the value of b is 10 meter. Okay, so now what will be the value of L? L we have assumed 2b, so you can multiply 2 into 10, so it is 20 meter. So the value of b is 10 and L is, the breadth is 10 and length is 20 meter. Okay, now you can find the, now next you have to find the area of floor. Area of the floor, so which type of shape? That is the rectangular. So now you can find the area of the floor, and its shape is rectangular. Its a shape is you have to find the area of the floor, which is the rectangular. Rectangular means its area will be L into B. L into B. So now we got the L. L's value is 20 and B is 10 and it will be in the meter square. So 20 into 10, 200 and so it will be 200 meter square. So this is your answer, 200 meter square. Once again you can check it. So this is the given. In the question it is given that this length is 2 times of the breadth. So we assume that breadth is B. So L will be 2 into B. Height is 11 given. So area of 4 wall it is given 660 and we put the values and we got the value of the B. So now we got the value of B, so we can get the value of L also. Now we have to find the area of the floor. So floor is, of course, this floor, this room is there. So floor is the floor will be the rectangular. So this is the floor. So this floor is the rectangular. So formula will be the area of rectangle is L into B. So now the value of L and B we put. So we get the answer. Now next question number 10. Sangeeta is creating a paper lantern that is 15 centimeter long and 13 centimeter wide and 28 centimeter high. The paper she plans to use comes in sheet that have the area 14 square centimeters and the cost is 15 rupees per sheet. She buys just enough paper to cover the side of the lanterns. How much the papers to her use? Okay, so here first of all this area of the this paper which is required, so that first of all we will find out. Okay, so for this we will do, actually this is the four. Here you can see in this lanterns, this up and bottom side will be the open, so it will be not there, so we can use this one, four walls. Okay, we will find the lateral surface area. This two portion will be not there, so here we will find the first of all. So here is, it is the given part is there. L is given 15 centimeter. Okay, B is also given. This is the question number 11, sorry, number 10 we are doing. This is B is 13 centimeter and H is 28 centimeter. Okay, so first of all we find the area of paper, area of paper required to cover the lantern. Okay, so it is the which type of shape? It is the four wall sided like this, or you can or simply you can say which type of, it is a lateral surface. It is a lateral surface. Okay, lateral surface. So you can use that formula, 2 into L plus B into H. So 2 into L plus B into H. Okay, so now put the values. L is given, L is, here is the all the values given, L, B and H. Okay, so now put these values here. So 2 into the value of L will be 15 plus, here is the 13 is there, into 28 and this is the centimeter square. Now inside the bracket, so it will be 28, in outside also 28 centimeter square. Now 28 into 28 into 2, so it will be 1568 centimeter square. So this is the area of this paper. Now next we have to find the how many number of sheets is used. So you can find the number of sheets required. Number of sheets required. So here we can write the area of this sheet. So what is the area? 5 centimeter square, and it is already given 14 centimeter square of the one. It is given already in the question. You can see there is a given that like the area of one is like given 14 square centimeter. It is given. So now we can divide. Okay, so you can divide. So it will be for the 112 times it will divide. Okay, so right here one, how many total number is there? How many seats are required? 112. Now we have to find the cost. So we can find the cost of it. It is given cost of one seat, it is given, which is rupees 15. It is given. So now we can find the cost. So we can find the cost of 112. So we can find the cost of 112 seats. Okay, so which is equals to 15 multiplied by 112. So you can multiply, so it will be 1680. So its answer is 1680. Okay, once again you can just check it. Here is your question solution. First of all, this given data, then have to find the this area of this paper, and which is the four wall type or lateral surface area. This is the area. Okay, then after number of seats you have to find. So first of all, this is the total area, and this is the one's area, then divided, and this is the 112 number of seats. So cost of one seat is 15. So now find the cost of 112. So that is the answer. Okay.